You speak slowly. You know it. You feel it. And it frustrates you every single time. Someone asks you something, and there is this pause, this gap between the question and your answer. And in that gap, you feel everything: the pressure, the searching, the checking, and your answer finally comes slowly, carefully. And you think, why can't I just speak? I'm Alex. This is Imperfect English. And today I'm going to explain exactly why you speak slowly, and the one thing that actually fixes it. Not 5 things, not a list. 1. Speaking slowly in a second language is not a mystery. It has a very specific cause. You are doing too many things at the same time. Think about what happens when you speak English. Your brain has to find the right word, choose the right grammar, organize the sentence, check if it sounds right, send the signal to your mouth, make your mouth produce the sounds, listen to what the other person is saying, and prepare the next sentence, all at the same time. That is an enormous amount of work. In your first language, most of that is automatic. You don't think about it. It just happens. But in English, especially early on, none of it is automatic. Every step requires conscious effort, and conscious effort takes time. That time is the pause. That time is you speaking slowly. So speaking slowly is not a flaw. It is evidence that your brain is working very hard. In a language, it is still learning. Repeat after me. Speaking slowly means my brain is working hard. It is not a flaw. It is evidence of learning. Good. Most learners try to fix slowness by studying more vocabulary, more grammar, more listening, and their English improves, but the slowness stays. Why? Because slowness is not a knowledge problem. It is an automation problem. The steps I described, find the word, choose the grammar, organize the sentence, are taking conscious effort. And conscious effort is slow. The fix is not to know more. The fix is to automate what you already know, to take the steps that currently require thought and make them happen without thought, automatically, like breathing. You don't think about breathing, you just breathe. That is the goal for English, not to think about it, to just say it. Repeat after me. Slowness is not a knowledge problem. It is an automation problem. I don't need to know more. I need to automate what I already know. Good. Really good. So here it is, the one fix. Repetition of spoken output. Not reading, not listening, not studying, speaking the same content, repeatedly, out loud. Here is why this works. Every time you say a sentence out loud, your brain processes it slightly faster than the last time. The word retrieval gets quicker. The grammar choice gets quicker. The mouth movement gets more automatic. By the 5th time you say a sentence, you are already noticeably faster than the first time. By the 10th time, it is starting to feel natural. By the 20th time, it is close to automatic. This is the principle behind shadowing, and it is why shadowing works for speed, not just pronunciation. When you shadow a sentence 10, 15, 20 times. You are automating it, burning it into your speaking memory, so that the next time you need it, it comes fast, without the pause, without the gap. Repeat after me. Repetition of spoken output. That is the one fix. Every time I say a sentence out loud, my brain processes it faster. The pause gets shorter. The gap gets smaller until it almost disappears. Good. Here is your daily practice. Pick 5 sentences from any episode of this podcast. Any 5. Say each one out loud, 10 times each. Not fast, not trying to go faster, just naturally. And notice what happens by the 10th repetition. The sentence starts to come out more smoothly, less effortful, more like something that belongs to you. Do this every day. 5 sentences, 10 repetitions each. That is 50 spoken sentences per day. And over time, your speaking speed increases. Not because you rushed, not because you forced it, but because you automated it. 1 sentence at a time. Repeat after me. 5 sentences. 10 repetitions each. Every day. I am not forcing speed. I am building automation. The speed follows. Good. That was really good. I want to leave you with something honest. Speed is not the goal. Clarity is the goal. Some of the most powerful communicators in the world speak slowly, deliberately, thoughtfully, with weight behind every word. Your pace, right now, is not something to be ashamed of. It is something to work with. As you automate more and more of the English you know, the pace will naturally increase, not because you pushed it, but because the load got lighter, and a lighter load moves faster. Keep practicing. You are doing something genuinely hard, and you are doing it. Repeat after me. Speed is not the goal. Clarity is. The load is getting lighter. And a lighter load moves faster. I am doing something hard. And I am doing it. Good. If this episode helped you, subscribe to Imperfect English. New episode every week. Slow, clear, made for you. We will be here. I'm Alex. This is Imperfect English. Take care.